question number 1 says, match each object with the correct description. Your objects are right here on the side. The descriptions are on top. Every single object has to have an answer, so we're going to go down the list. The first one, parallel lines. Show me with your hands, parallel lines. Are lines that never what? Touch. So, is it A, B, or C? B. Second one, perpendicular lines. Meet at one point or meet at 90 degrees?
Meet at 90 degrees.
Correct. Meet at 90 degrees. So perpendicular lines form a plus sign, and then right there in the little corner there's a perfect square. Right, square angle. Good job, Mr. Davis. No, not yet. And last one. Last one, intersecting lines. Meet at one point. Remember the flashing lights. This is a lazy X. This is the point that they meet at. Very good.
I get $100? No, you always do. You never will again.
Number 2, right here on the side. Right here. Which of the following figures show perpendicular lines? So back to the question that we just did, right? We literally wrote it here. Perpendicular lines form a perfect square angle. What are the only 2 shapes that have square angles? Thank you for raising your hand. Lucas, give me one.
Rectangle.
A rectangle. Rectangle. And what is another one? Madison? A square. Very nice. These are the only 2 shapes that have square angles. Now, can we go down our list and start eliminating things that make no sense?
Yeah.
Yes. The first one, what shape is it?
A triangle.
A triangle. Does a triangle have square angles? No. So all the answers that have 1, we could block them off. Now we have a 50% chance of getting our answer correct.
50.
What's our answer?
B.
It is
It's me.
B only. Why is it not this one right here? What shape is this? Do not call out, please. Shh. What shape is that, Ariana? Parallelogram. Does a parallelogram have square angles? No. It's a little slanted here. I'm gonna send this video that I'm recording right now to YouTube so you can see.
Yay!
It's recording right here. Okay. Next question. Look right here. Make sure you put the square angles. Make sure you put the square angles. Yeah. Next one. Another matching. These are important. Match each figure with its name. So, match the figure with its name. The figures are on the left side. The names are on the right side. Are they all going to have the same answer? No. So, I need you to pay attention to this. Why? Because of the fact that when you are doing it on computer, you have to make sure that you're clicking a different answer for everyone because that's how it usually is. So the first one, is this a ray, a line, or a point? Point. Next one, right here. Ray, line, or point? Ray. Because it starts with a point and it ends with an arrow. And the last one is a line. What does the arrows mean? What do the arrows mean? I taught you one word. No. 4 words that the arrows mean. Like when we do the arrows like this, instead of closing it, what does it mean? To where? Tatiana? Huh? Yes?
To infinity
Right. To infinity and beyond. That means it never what? It never ends. Thank you, table 2. You can give yourself a point on the board in the back. Okay. Next. The next question is based on attributes. So it says, which of the following quadrilaterals is not a parallelogram? Not a parallelogram. Not a parallelogram. So we are going to go through our options. And based on the attributes, look at our anchor chart up there. What attributes should a parallelogram have? Think about the attributes. Look at our anchor chart up here. What attributes should a parallelogram have? Right here. Oh. Landon.
Opposite sides are parallel and the same length.
Right. Opposite sides should be parallel and the same length. So right here, nice and small. Opposite sides parallel and same length. Now, your little brains should already be like, oh, I see some that I could literally exit out because they are a parallelogram. Give me one, Jacob. Which one is a parallelogram? If it is, we have to exit out or cross it out. B is a parallelogram, so it gets out. We're looking for which one is not. Not. Which one, Ariana?
Square.
Right.
Not square, but
Gone.
if we have little,
Gone.
if we have little brains, it
Now. Let's see what Haley thinks when I post this on YouTube. Listen. Yeah? Okay. Which one of these has opposite sides parallel and the same length? First of all, what shape is A, Mr. Davis? A rectangle.
Oh, I did it.
And what shape is C?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. I have a 50% chance of getting it correct. What is my answer here?
Trapezoid.
My answer is trapezoid. The reason why my answer is trapezoid is because a trapezoid only has one set of parallel lines. That's it.
Parallelogram line.
Questions? Rectangle, it has two short sides. These are these two are parallel to each other, and the top and the bottom are also parallel to each other, and that is why it's not it. Okay. Next question you've seen. Where? This one.
What about it?
Where you seen it? CFU on Friday. CFU on Friday. Right here, we're going to cross out 24 and we're going to put the number 26. 26. So please make that change right there. And the reason being is because where I got it from, the book is not updated. But right now I checked again and there's a new version of it that's updated. So instead of it being 24, it should be 26. Now, it says, which of the following rectangles has a perimeter of 26 inches and an area of 36 inches. So now I need to think, what is area and what is perimeter? And what operations I use for each one. For area, what operation do I use to find my answers? Multiplication. Area equals length times width. What about perimeter? What do I do for perimeter?
Addition equals B equals length plus length
Right.
and width plus width.
Right. And for perimeter, I'm adding length plus length and width plus.
Width.
We have to solve every single one to find the answer. So follow me, because right now I'm modeling and you are paying attention. I'm going to conquer A first. I'm going to find the area since it's easier for me to do first for all of them. So my area for this one is going to be 9 times 4, which equals 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 square inches. Now, I'm going to go down to B and I'm going to do the same thing. Area equals 4 times 6. And then I'm going to skip count by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. 24 square inches. And the last one, area equals 4 times 8. And 4 times 8, I'm going to skip count by the bigger number. 8, 16, 24, and 32. Can we already see which ones are not the answers? Can we see already which ones are not it? Yes, because we're looking for a specific number. We're looking for 36 square inches. Now we are going to find the perimeter. And the reason why I want you to practice the perimeter is because it can sometimes be a challenge when you confuse the operations. So for A, if this long side is 9, the bottom long side is 9. If the short side here is 4 and this side is equal to it, this side is also 4. Now I'm going to solve by adding. Perimeter equals 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. 18 plus 8 equals, what's 18 plus 8? 26. 26. 26 inches. So this perimeter is for A. Now perimeter for B. If the long side is 6, the bottom long side is, Madison? If the long side up here is 6, the bottom long side is 6. Thank you. And if this short side is 4, this short side is 4. 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus, what's 6 plus 6? 12 plus 8? 20. Thank you. Thank you. And last one. You see how, for even though I already know what the answer is, I'm still working them all out? That's what I want you to do. That's why you're going to get scrap paper. For C, if the long side at the top is 8, the bottom is 8 because they're equivalent to each other. If this side is 4 inches, then the short side is 4. My perimeter for C is going to be 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is, it's 24. 24 inch. Which one is my answer? Tatiana? A. Very nice. A. Thank you, Mr. Jacob, for helping me with my computation. Okay, do you see how I showed my work for every single one? And I understand that you already know what the answer is, but sometimes you have to make sure, because there comes those careless mistakes. Right. Okay, next one. The rectangle shown has an area of 56 square meters. What is its missing side length? Oh, I like this question, and I put it there for a reason, because we've seen something like this, and here we have to use a certain operation to be able to find the missing side. Mr. Davis, can you explain to me what's going on in your head when you are reading this question? What goes on in your head when you are reading this question?
The square has an 8, so it's all 8s.
Okay, but we are talking about the area, and when we find area equals length times width, right? My answer is 56. I already know my area, and then I also know that one of my factors being used is 8. What am I going to do?
8 times 4.
What's 8 times 4?
8 times
32. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 56. So I'm going to skip count by 8 until I get to 56. And my number of jumps is going to be what I'm looking for. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8? 24. 24 plus 8? 32. 32 plus 8? 40. 40 plus 8? 48 plus 8? 56. What's my answer? When you have an answer, thumbs up. Thumbs up, don't call out. Thumbs up, don't call out. And then circle it on your paper. I'm coming around with $20 because I want to make sure that you are actually computing this and not just waiting there for the answer, because the answer is not going to fly to you.
Where's the eraser?
Thank you. Very good. Let me see. Awesome job. Okay, now I have another question based on the same question that we just did. Based on the same question we just did. What operation could we use in order to find this same answer? What operation were we able to use to find this answer? Even if we didn't multiply, what can we use?
I got it.
Yes? Oh, okay. What operation are we able to use? What's the opposite? Division. Very nice. Okay. You ready? You ready? Awesome. Amazing. My answer is B. My answer is B. My answer is B. And the reason why I should have got B is because of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. If we would have put A, like somebody said, what kind of mistake is that? Very nice, Oliver F. A careless. Yes. Okay. Flip the page. Ooh. Okay, we're at the top. Now we're going to touch lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry are sometimes complicated because we draw them either not straight or it could be messed up. So this one right here. In which figure is the line of symmetry not drawn correctly? Look at the pictures. Circle the answers. No, I'm coming. Circle your answer. Look at your pictures. Circle your answer. Look at your picture. Circle your answer.
This is easy. Yeah, so easy.
Look at your picture. Circle your answer. So can someone please refresh my mind? In order for it to be a line of symmetry, both halves have to look the same. They have to look like twins. Right.
When you fold them
The only one that makes no type of sense and is not cut in the middle is B. B. Look at A, C, and D. They're cut in the middle. There's a reflection between both pieces. If I fold it, it's going to fall right on top of the other one. And that's what I'm looking for. Yes? Yeah, I said that. It has to be a reflection. Okay. That question was easy?
Yeah.
Okay, so then let's keep moving with lines of symmetry right under. Which figure has no lines of symmetry? So look at A. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, and I can still keep going. So this one has lines of symmetry. We're looking for which one does not. So this is not an answer. Look at B. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That one has a line of symmetry. So it cannot be an answer. We're looking for which one does not. Right. What do you think? Who thinks C?
Me.
Who thinks D? Who thinks C? Who thinks D? Answer C.
Yeah.
Because remember we spoke about the circle and the oval. Look, I could cut it like this. And I can also cut it this way. Here, whichever way we cut it, it's not going to match. So that's why that's an answer. Okay. We are going to continue with one more question of lines of symmetry. And then we are going to move on to area. So here we go. It says, draw the lines of symmetry for the following shape. I put the grid for you, and I also put the shape. What I want you to do is draw the lines of symmetry for it. So, you ready?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Because if I turn it, look. Oh. Look right here. Yes or no? Yes. Very nice. So how many lines of symmetry does this triangle have? 3 lines or more than? More than 2. 2 or 1 is okay. There's still more. Someone's there. Go to Mr. Velez. You say, hello, can I please borrow your restroom? Okay, questions about this? Okay, great. Awesome. We're almost there. Okay. We're going to move on to this question up here. Right here. I'm going to read it and we are going to highlight what it is that they're asking us to do. So, in each figure, 1 square represents 1 square foot. Select all figures that have an area of 24 square feet. So when we're talking about area, what did I tell you I want inside of every single box?
Number.
The numbers, thank you. Why? Because I can make what? Right, thank you. So let's go through our answer choices. Whichever one equals 24 is an answer. Ready? A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that an answer? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. That is a yes. Yep. Let me tell you something. If I know that I can do the computation for it, what other way can I find how many square units, Hannah? Multiplication. So look at this. Area equals, how many are going down? 1, 2, 3. How many are going across?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we do that?
8. Yup. What's 3 times 8?
24.
24. Is this an answer? Yes. Right here, look at D. Area equals 1, 2, 3 going down times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 going across. Is that going to be too much?
No. Yes.
It's going to be too much. 12 plus 12 plus 12. 2, 4, 6, 36. This is too much. Last one. Area equals 1, 2, 3, 4 going down times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going across. What's 4 times 6?
24.
24. Is that an answer? Yes. How many answers did we have here? 3. And we showed our work. So that's how we know we are correct. Who's there? I think it's nobody in there. There's nobody in there. Oliver, out please. Okay. We have 4 more questions, and then you saw where I put parent signature at the bottom. The reason why I put that, and this is the easiest grade, is because I want you to be responsible for your stuff. So if you don't study, then tomorrow you're going to come in lost. I want you to be responsible for your own things. Okay. Anaya. Anaya's bedroom rug is shown below right here. We're looking for the perimeter and the area. We're going to do one at a time. Why am I going to do one at a time? If someone could tell me, please. Why am I going to do one at a time? Aurelia? Understand and not make any what? Right. So for perimeter, addition is my operation. For area, it's multiplication. Let's find the perimeter first. If the top is 7, the bottom is 7. If this side is 3, this side is 3. Now I'm going to add them all up. 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. What's 7 plus 7? 14. 14 plus 6 is? Listen. What is 14 plus 6? 20. 20 feet. Because when we're talking about perimeter, we're just talking about the unit. We're not talking about square units. Thank you to table 1. Table 1, you can give yourself 2 points, please. Yeah. How am I going to find my area, Jacob? Area. Jacob, how am I going to find my area? Right. 7 times 3. What's 7 times 3, Jacob? 21. Very nice. It can be confusing. It can be confusing to have an area and perimeter question be asked in one. So we need to break it apart and do one first and then the other. No. Okay. We're done with this one. Now we're down here and we have 2 more. Okay. Start by reading the word problem and highlighting the important information on that problem. Okay. Let me see. Look at Tatiana. Beautiful job, Tatiana. Beautiful job.
Look at mine.
Beautiful job. Let me see. Let me see.
That's the beautiful one.
Let me see who's already highlighted
I had it
for the word problem. Very nice, Aurelia. Good job. Good job. Madison, awesome job, Madison. Very good, Ruth.
Do you see mine?
Oliver F. Good job. So what I asked you to do was look at this question and highlight what the question is asking us. Important information. So it says, compare the area of each rectangle. We're comparing the area of each rectangle. Complete the statement about the rectangles. Fill in the bubble before the word that is correct. So, ready? We're talking about this rectangle right here and this square right here. It says, these small squares equal 1 square centimeter. The area of the top rectangle is blank. The area of the bottom rectangle, since blank square centimeters will cover the shape. So, are there more of these squares going to fit up here or at the bottom? At the bottom. So, the area of the top rectangle is less than the area of the bottom rectangle. This is less than this, since fewer square centimeters will cover this shape than this shape. So right here, this square centimeter right here, I'm going to need fewer of these to cover here than I am to cover here. That's what the question is saying. Okay? Here we go with the desk. The desk. It says a drawing of the top of a desk is shown. What is the area of the top of the desk? We're looking for the area of the top of the desk. We're looking for the inside or the outside? Inside. Right. Sorry, this keeps moving. So here we go. I need to cut where I'm going to have 2 quadrilaterals. Okay? So I would do this. Pew. This is going to be apples and this is going to be bananas. Now, since I chopped right here, is this whole sandwich the same? No. Right. It's cut. It's split. So look at this. If the top right here of apples is 2 on this side, then this side is congruent. Congruent means equal. So if this is 2, this is 2. 2 plus what gives me the 5 of the whole sandwich? 3. Do you understand what I did there? Great. Can I find my area now?
Yes. No.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I said
For apples, 2 times 5. For bananas. 4 bananas. 3 times 2. So apples. 5 times 2 is what? 10. For bananas, 3 times 2? 6. What am I going to do with 10 and 6? Add them. 10 plus 6 is 16 square feet. Thank you to those who are diligently working, because I'm writing your name and I'll make sure you have something in your bank. So I'm taking notes. I'm taking notes with my eyes. Last one. Which quadrilateral can have exactly one pair of parallel sides? So which quadrilateral can have exactly one pair of parallel sides? No more. No more, just one. Let's go through our answer choices. A. How many does a parallelogram have? 2. It has 2 pairs. Is that an answer then? No, we're only looking for 1 pair. What about a rhombus? How many does it have? 2. All the sides are the same length for a rhombus. So that cannot be an answer. I have 2 answers left. What is my answer? Trapezoid. A trapezoid, and I want you to draw it right here. Short at the top, long on the sides, long at the bottom. That way you can see it. Okay. These are the standards that will be covered in your test tomorrow. It is your responsibility as a student, not just any student, an AMP student, right, to go home and study this guide and get it signed. You getting this sign shows that you are responsible. And that is an easy, quick grade. Now, if you rather have the guide in front of you and the video playing, then that's something different, because I'm going to post this video like now. Look, 37 minutes long. So, if you rather study it by yourself, then you would just take, studying is not just, okay, I put an answer. That's not studying. Studying is, okay, this is a question where every single answer has to have a different answer. Every single object has to have a different answer. I have to make sure that I see which description goes best. That's how you study. Okay, perpendicular lines. I know that perpendicular lines are lines that form a square angle right here. It looks like a plus sign, so I need to draw. That is studying. Studying is not, okay, that's okay, I'm done. That's not studying. That's skimming. Skimming, just going through it. No, skimming. Skimming means I'm just going, okay, I'm done. That's not studying. Studying is working it out. Okay, I want to keep studying questions like this. I'm gonna give myself a number. I'm going to draw a shape. Okay, I can make my own example. That is studying. Do you understand?
Yes.
Great. I'm posting this today.